In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping on Bigcommerce. In order to do that, you first need to head over to bigcommerce.com and you should be able to see in here this part. So on their website, you can head over and then request a demo if you don't have a store yet, or click on this login if you already have one. On my case, I already don't have it, so let's head over and click on this request a demo. Once you click on it, it should be able to show you this. You just need to fill up the information they're looking for you and head over and click on the this Get in Touch option. So doing this will actually help set up your store and get over to your shipping. So I have in here this article that should be able to help us. So for the shipping setup, we can find it by going to settings and shipping to get started. So you need to set up first your shipping origin. So your shipping origin, just input your details right there. So if where you're shipping to, you can actually input right here your shipping zones. For example, you can input right here America as well as other regions of that. So here are some options. So this region use UPS and FedEx, while this one use USP. So do take note of those as well. You can ship for this using this one. You can display shipping address form display and display them right there if the shipping method is available. Can display all countries regardless of the shipping settings and only display countries when a shipping method is available. Now for the shipping method, you can choose between flat or fixed rate like $5 flat charge on all orders, table rates which can vary based on order rate or value, and real-time rates which utilize shipping carrier code engines. So you can also choose right here to offer free shipping, US Post, and FedEx options, and you can see in here what it would look like. So from there, just set up your shipping directly in order to start catering to clients. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.